explain the opposition, the critical responsibility of the human element and safeguarding the marine environment. So, the human element is absolutely critical in safeguarding the marine environment. Our ocean face immense challenges, and it's our responsibility to mitigate these issues and ensure a healthy future for marine life and ecosystem. Here's why the human role is vital. Number one, the addressing pollution. The problem, human activities are primary source of marine pollution, including plastic waste, chemical runoff, and oil spill. The solution, reducing pollution, requires significant changes in human behavior and industrial practices. These include reducing plastic use. Individuals can reduce the use of single-use plastic, participate in clean-up efforts, and support policies and promote recycling and reduce plastic production. Improving waste management. Better waste management system can prevent pollution from entering waterways. Sustainable agriculture. Farmers can adopt practices that minimize chemical runoff into rivers and oceans. Regulation and enforcement. Government must enforce regulation to prevent illegal dumping. Pollution from industries. Number 2. Combating overfishing. The problem, overfishing depletes fish population, disrupt marine ecosystem, and threaten food security for communities that depends on seafood. The solution, sustainable fishing practices are essential and this require responsible fishing. Fisher can use selected fishing gear to avoid catching non-target species and over catch limits. Marine protect areas. Establishing and enforcing marine protected areas can provide safe havens for fish populations to recover. Consumer choices. Consumers can choose to buy sustainable source seafood, supporting fishes that prioritize conservation. International collaboration efforts between nations are necessary to manage fishes that that span international waters. Number 3. Mitigating climate change. The problem, climate change causes oceans acidification, rising sea temperature, and sea level rise, all of which harm marine life, coastal communities. The solution, reducing greenhouse gas emission, is crucial and it involves reducing carbon footprint. Individuals can release their carbon footprint by using public transport, conserving energy, and adopting sustainable lifestyle. Investing in renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can significantly reduce emission. Protecting coastal ecosystem. Preserving and restoring coastal habitats like mangroves and seagrass beds can help absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Policy and advocacy. Supporting policies that promote climate action and advocating for change drives solution. Number 4. The problem, the problem, coastal development, disrupted fishing practices, and pollution damage critical marine habitats like coral reef, seagrass beds, and mangroves. The solution? Protecting and restoring this habitat requires sustainable coastal development, implementing reasonable coastal planning that minimizes habitat destruction, resor- restoration project, engaging in restoration efforts to replant mangroves, rebuild coral reef, and restore degraded ecosystem, regulation enforcement, enforcing regulation to prevent destructive activities like dynamite fishing and dredging in sensitive areas, community environment, engaging local communities, and conservation efforts, empowering them to protect their marine resources. Number 5. Promoting education and awareness. Promoting education and awareness. The problem, lack of awareness about the importance of marine conservation, hinders efforts to protect the ocean. The solution, education, and awareness campaign can raise awareness, educate the public about the threats facing the marine environment and the importance of conservation, change behavior, encourage individuals to adopt sustainable practices in their daily lives, empower action, inspire people to take action, whether through volunteering, advocacy, or supporting conservation organization, foster stewardship, cultivate a sense of responsibility and stewardship towards the marine environment. In summary, humans' element is not just a factor that determining force in safeguarding the marine environment. By addressing pollution, combating overfishing, mitigating climate change, protecting marine habitats, and promoting education, we can ensure a healthy and thriving ocean for future generations. It's a shared responsibility that requires commitment, collaboration, and deep appreciation for the vital role of the ocean of our lives. So that's all, sir. Thank you.